think much surprises the Maverick anymore, but I tell you this, the standard of the latter stages of this year's schoolboy football competitions has been a pleasant surprise. No schoolboy football was played for the past 2 seasons. The players who are playing now were 14, 15, and 16 the last time Manning and the Costa Cup were played. They would not have played any competitive football for 2 full years. And instead of lacking in sharpness and coordination, I have seen 5, 6, or maybe 7 teams, both in Manning Cup and the Costa Cup, that by any schoolboy standard are well organized and good quality football teams. Dintle Technical comes to mind, Clarendon College, Jamaica College, Kingston College, Garvey Masio, and a few more are all decent football teams in schoolboy football terms. Now, maybe the inactivity brought on by the pandemic was a blessing in disguise for these young players. They would be well rested, watching lots of football on television, and would have been hungry, bursting at the seams to play the game they love. So all of a sudden, the gloom and doom effect that COVID-19 was supposed to have on the next generation of young players have dissipated, and the future looks bright again. It looks bright again, but really bright.